Welcome back, guys. Today I want to do a tutorial on how to do a piano tutorial for maybe YouTube, Facebook, or whatever you want to do. So first of all, what you're going to do is you set up your camera, maybe have a plain background or a nice little corner in your house or church, wherever place that you got a keyboard, and it could even be in your car or whatever. You set up a camera and you do your intro and your outro. For instance, I'm going to do one like yesterday. I did a song of He's Got the Whole World in His Hands, and today we're going to do a tutorial of it. Now, you do that even if it takes 2 or 3 takes, because you can always cut out the ones that you mess up. You just go through that whole intro until you get it right. Then you're going to go and do your outro. You're going to say, well, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Like the like button, and then you do that as many times as you got to do to get it right. Even if you have to say that many times and till it's like you want it. You just keep saying it, keep the camera recording, and then once you're done, then you're going to do this little hack that I've got where you can record your hands. Follow me up, because I went and turned my overhead light on, so it's a little bit brighter now. I'm going to turn my overhead light on. What I'm going to do is put my phone on the ceiling. So watch what I got here going. So then we can move things out of the way. We can move things out of the way and get the camera centered like this. Let me first stop and show you what I got here. So what you're looking at is something that actually held 12 yogurt packs, and I cut all these circles out so it wasn't the full sheet, and I just tacked it to the ceiling, and I can actually slide. I've got a little bit of a hump here that I can slide the phone into it. So let's get this, I'm going to get this all back up here again. So if you can see, if I slide this too far this way, you can see how part of the image is hidden. So I slide this out, kind of square it up to where you can see all it, and I can kind of see my screen, and then I can start playing. And then all I gotta do is just play this song. He's got the whole world in his hands, and I'm doing a G. He's got the whole world, I'm doing a D. In his hands, he's got the whole world, back to that G. And I can go down to that E minor. In his hands, he's got the whole world, that's to that D. In his hands. And in the song I did yesterday, I kept going up a key. So I'm going D flat over E flat to the A flat key. He's got the whole world. Just doing some vamping on that A flat. He's got the whole world, E flat. He's got the whole world in his hands, down to that F minor 7. He's got the whole, I'm going B flat minor, walking up. Whole world in his hand. We go up again. He's got the whole world. And of course you could change the words to he's got you and me, brother, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. We can keep going up. And all this is a 1 chord to a 5 chord to a 1 chord to a 6 minor, 2 minor, 5, 1. 1, 5, 1, 6 minor, 2 minor, 5, 1. And that's it. And then once I'm done, I can take this down. Well, guys, that is the basics of what I shoot. If you want to do any fancy editing, like some of the things I do where I put words at the top, you can crop your piano down to just keyboard part, like some of the things that I've done where you can see I've got the keyboard shrunk down and then the words are at the top. You can do that as well. I do that a lot. Or you can leave it just like I am, where in this, where you just see the keyboard and they just hear you call out the words. You can do it either way, whatever works for you, and that's it. I mean, it's that simple. Just do even some on your phone editing software apps that you can just cut your intro, cut your portion of your video that you explain how to play it, and then put your outro at the end of it, and you're done. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel, and as always, guys, God bless.